Here's an unboxing video about this Asus laptop, and the brand is Asus, but the actual model is a bit complicated. Let's see if I can. Okay, here read it here. It's called X541N, and if you look at the processor and such, this is actually kind of outdated now. So in 2018, elsewhere you might not be able to even find it with this old processor version. However, in Turkey you find it. Only 500 gigabytes of 5400 RPM hard drive, so it's kind of slow, although it now says 8x. That's interesting. I thought this wouldn't have any CD writer reader, but I guess it has a CD or even DVD reader. For only 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is very low, BGN and 1x1 wireless. Yeah, basically there's only one antenna there. What else? It has USB 3, USB 2, and even USB 3.1. Okay, so that's the only up-to-date, so to speak, thing. Keyboard is going to be in Turkish, and it has 3-cell 36 watt-hour battery, lithium-ion battery. Okay, so yeah, it's something that the place I'm working with has purchased for me. I mean, it doesn't directly belong to me; it belongs to where I work, but I will be the one who is going to use it. Let's see if I can peel it. Usually when I try to peel these things can go bad. And I don't want to be damaging the packaging much, so instead of trying to peel it, I'm just gonna go with this and cut this. And I think this is the only seal. So here's the challenge. I'm using one hand. I'm trying to open this up with my other hand. Yes, so this was the most important step. Now let's put it there. There is even a longer code name, I think. This is one general code name, and there's some even longer one. Okay, so this is the longer model number, X541NA-G, I think O or G00008T. It might be O. I'm not sure. And so it probably comes with very basic things, just the laptop itself, and then the power adapter, and that's pretty much it. So let me forget it like this. Okay, so this is going to be some warranty information there. And now I'm trying to balance it, so this is how it pulls out. Sorry, my other hand, just to make sure that that thing didn't slip. And this is where the adapter is. As you can see, there's so much empty space. In fact, it was basically going back and forth in the package. Luckily, because it has, I think this is a Celeron processor. Because it has a Celeron processor, it's not something that requires a lot of power, and therefore it has a small adapter, which is very nice. You see, my hands are not even big, and this thing fits my hand. Yeah, nice. So yeah, this is a brand new laptop, even though, I shouldn't have done that, even though it's quite outdated. So it's going to be all plastic. I think this is the way, yeah, I should be putting it like this. should be the top. Let's put this up. Okay, yeah. Among the options there were, sorry, I'm needing one hand. Among the options there were other stuff, either smaller or has a like white background. So this is, I'm not sure if it is aluminium, brushed aluminium or anything like that. It feels kind of cold to touch, but not that much. I don't know if it is an actual aluminium or just an imitation of it. It might be plastic. I know that pretty much everything else is plastic. And this is basically part 1. Let me actually make some room on my desk, and then on part 2 I'm going to just lift the lid and turn it on. We'll go through the initial processes.